Brazil has a unique, as all the other countries, they have a unique way to make business, and the culture is very important. At first, when we had to face the takeover for Phonak, we were afraid that Switzerland could come and change everything. And then, little by little, we start knowing Phonak, knowing the great technology they have, but more important than the technology were the people behind Phonak, that they gave us great support. So everybody here in Brazil felt very confident and comfortable. If you are working with people that you feel comfortable, you enjoy, you feel as a family, then it's much better. So we could even increase the way we were used to work, not inside the company, but also with people from headquarters. They have so many different cultures and they respect all the other. They are very international. So they give us freedom to work, and we had very good relationship with them. So now we are part of the Phonak family.